Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I am the owner and artist of the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today, I'm going to show you, using all Dixie Belle paint products, how to achieve a gorgeous dry brush effect. We're going to use two colors as well as no paint gel stain and espresso. This is an easy technique to learn. Stay tuned, grab your supplies, and get ready to have some fun.
Let's update this boring brown buffet. Cleaning is an essential part of preparation before painting. White lightning will get this item clean. You can apply your gel stain with a rag or an applicator pad, staying in the direction of the wood grain. Apply one even coat, waiting until dry. When this dries, you can apply a second coat if necessary. No paint gel stain is a gel stain that is applied over existing finishes. No sanding is necessary. Covered the entire base of the project with Sawmill Gravy. I use my spray misting bottle filled with water to make sure my paint can go that little bit further, as well as minimizing any brush strokes. I applied this color with a chip brush. I wanted a rough, uneven effect. It's a dry brush effect on top of the Sawmill Gravy. Using Best Staying Wax and Brown is a great way to highlight those edges and add some age detail to the piece. I hope you enjoyed this rustic buffet makeover. All the materials used in this project can be purchased via the information below.